Start by placing a ring mold on top of a cake circle. Add a layer of cake at the bottom of the ring mold. Pipe a layer of mousse from the outside in. Use your turntable to help it spin. Carefully add another layer of cake. Press down gently to adhere the bottom to the mousse. Repeat this stacking with the desired amount of layers, finishing the top layer with mousse. Place it in the freezer overnight. It's time to prepare the mirror glaze. Add the cold water to a mixing bowl and sprinkle the gelatin over it. Stir together until it begins to thicken. Then let it set for a few minutes. Add the water, sugar, and condensed milk and vanilla to a pot, stirring to combine. Turn off the heat and stir in the bloom gelatin. Place the chocolate in a bowl, then pour the hot liquid mixture over it. Stir gently until it begins to melt. Once it's smooth, you're ready to go. To make a marbled look, divide the glaze into different bowls and then gently combine and swirl before pouring it. Be sure to coat the top and the sides completely. Base it with a little torch. Keep chilled in the refrigerator to defrost it before slicing and serving.